Hi there, I hope you're well. Today I'm trying something a little bit different and I'm filming a relaxing speed cleaning video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this kind of style of video down in the comments. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'd subscribe. It really does help support my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my living room. It's not actually all that messy compared to how it has been some days during lockdown, but it does need a really good thorough clean. So I'm just taking the blanket here and giving it a fold, and next I'm going to pick up things off the floor ready to start cleaning. So the rug gets a good vacuum first, and then I'm just going to fold it up and take it out the room so I've got room to give the floor a really good clean. So I just finished vacuuming the rest of the space now that the rug's gone. Any dust that might have moved around when I moved the rug, and taking out any of Autumn's toys that are left. And then the rest of the floor just gets a really good vacuum. My corner sofa comes apart, which is really handy. So I'm moving one of the sofas and picking up anything left under the sofa and folding up any charger cables. Look at all the dust and food underneath, yuck. Next I'm going to move the second sofa, and as you can see it's the same, lots of toys and bits of rubbish underneath. The toys all get a good clean before they're put back in the toy box. So I'm just picking up any big bits of food or dust or whatever, and then I'm getting the vacuum and giving this area a really good vacuum. Next I take the handheld one and go around the skirting boards, the light switches and any hard to reach places that the main vacuum didn't pick up. And then I get my mop and give it a good clean with an anti-bac wipe on it, and as you can see it picks up lots of dust and dirt. So while the sofas are out, I'm going to give my mirror a good clean with some Windolene and a bit of kitchen roll just to buff off any marks or fingerprints and get it looking nice and shiny. And then I'm going to take everything off this shelf and give it a good dust. And give the shelf a clean too. Next I'm just going to pop everything back up on the shelf. And then it's time to tackle the windowsills, give them a good clean around the frames. And I'm giving this tray a bit of a clean because it had a plant on it and some of the old leaves had fallen off. And same with the second windowsill, I'm just giving a wipe around the frames and the windowsill. And then popping one of the sofas back that I've cleaned behind, and then it's time to do behind the other sofa. So I'm just moving it out the way, and then I'm going to give a good vacuum in behind, and then get my mop out again and put on a fresh anti-bac wipe and mop this area. I like this mop because you can keep changing the wipes and get it nice and fresh and clean, and because it's antibacterial wipes, you know it's getting rid of all the germs. Just giving the sofa a bit of a plump and taking out any toys and things lying around and putting them away. Next I'm popping the toy basket back, and I decided it would look nice to pop the blanket over the top of the basket. Away some charger cables in the basket here in the cabinet, and then I'm going to give the cabinet a good dust and clean all the things on it. This cabinet is the IKEA Besta unit. It's really useful for storing kids' toys and things. I might do a separate video on toy organisation, let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. I make sure I give behind the TV a good dust as well because it accumulates a lot of dust, and give the phone and the lamp a clean. Next it's time to tackle this corner, so I'm just taking all the clean folded laundry and putting that away. And then under the table gets a good vacuum too. Before popping the seats back, and then putting away some toys and things that were left lying, and also these cables that were left from when Andrew was working downstairs. I decided to pop the tray on the table and just pop my orchid on top and a candle. Next I'm tidying up these drawers because they were looking a little bit messy, and then giving that a good vacuum in behind, and again going around the skirting boards and getting rid of all the dust there. I just give the top of the drawers and things on the drawers a good dust. Next I am tackling all the glass on the doors, so I'm just cleaning the panes of glass with some Windoline and going around all the frames and getting rid of any dust that's lying there. Doing the same on the other door. And I get a little visit from Elle. Elle is getting a little bit of screen time while I clean as a treat. So next I get my anti-bac wipes and go over all the places that people are touching regularly, like the light switches and the door handles and the thermostat here. Just making sure they're nice and clean, especially just now with the pandemic going on. So giving all the handles a really good clean with the anti-bac wipes. So I just pop the liner down under the rug to stop it from slipping, and then pop the rug back down. I moved the coffee tables into the kitchen while I was cleaning, so I go through and get them and pop them back down. And the living room is looking much better now. I really do think cleaning your space is a form of self-care, and it makes you feel much more relaxed and tranquil knowing that your space is clean and that you can see open space around you. So that is my living room tidied, at least until the children descend downstairs again. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, like I say, it really supports my channel if you subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this style of video, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care.